Hello, Lila.
Hi, Alex. How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for the bus.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket.
Oh, I'm going there too.
That's great. We can go together.
Yes, I like that.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy some fruit and bread.
I need milk and eggs.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook every day.
That's nice. I like cooking too.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta and rice.
Yum! I love pasta.
What do you cook the most?
I cook chicken and vegetables.
Healthy food.
Yes, I try to eat healthy.
That's good. I want to eat better too.
It's not hard. Just eat more fruits and vegetables.
You are right. I will try.
Do you want to have lunch together after shopping?
Yes, that sounds fun.
We can go to the cafe near the supermarket.
Good idea. I like that place.
Me too. Their food is very good.
What do you usually eat there?
I usually get a sandwich.
I like their soup.
Oh yes, the soup is tasty.
Do you want to meet there at 1 o'clock?
Perfect. I will see you then.
Okay. The bus is coming.
Let's go.